world is full of breathtaking natural wonders that leave us in awe of the beauty of our planet. From the depths of the oceans, the peaks of the mountains, these natural wonders are a testament to the power and majesty of nature. In this video, we will explore the 10 best natural wonders of the world and what makes them so special. Number 10. Serengeti Migration. Serengeti migration is a natural phenomenon that occurs in Tanzania and Kenya, where millions of wild beasts, zebras, and gazelles move across the Serengeti in search of fresh grazing lands. This migration is a breathtaking spectacle, considered one of the greatest wildlife shows on Earth. It's an essential part of the Serengeti ecosystem, as it helps to rejuvenate the grasslands and support the diverse array of wildlife that calls the region home. Number 9. Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay is a stunning natural wonder located in northeast Vietnam, consisting of more than 1,600 limestone islands and islets. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tour destinations in Vietnam. Number 8. Milford Sound. Milford Sound is a breathtaking natural wonder located in Fiordland, New Zealand. It's a fjord, a narrow inlet of the sea between steep cliffs that was formed by glacial erosion over millions of years. The sound is characterized by majestic mountains, cascading waterfalls, and crystal clear waters that reflect the surrounding landscape. Number 7. Paricutin Volcano. Paricutin Volcano is a natural wonder located in the state of Michoacán, Mexico. It is unique among the world's volcanoes as it grew rapidly from a cornfield in 1943 and erupted for 9 years. Visitors can hike to the top of the volcano and explore the surrounding area, which is home to hot spring and traditional villages. Number 6. Mount Everest. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is located on the border of Nepal and Tibet, rising 29,000 feet above the sea level. It is a majestic and awe-inspiring natural wonder. Many climbers have attempted to reach the summit of this towering mountain, but only a few have succeeded. Number 5. Harbor of Rio de Janeiro. Harbor of Rio de Janeiro or Guanabara Bay is a natural wonder located in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The bay is surrounded by lush green mountains and is home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks, including Sugarloaf Mountain and the Statue of Christ the Redeemer. The bay is also a popular spot for water activities such as sailing, windsurfing, and kayaking, and visitors can enjoy the stunning views of the city skyline from the water. Number 4. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls, located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, is one of the largest waterfalls in the world and an awe-inspiring natural wonder. Visitors can witness the sheer power of the falls and the misty spray that creates rainbows above the gorge. Number 3. The Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights, is a stunning natural phenomenon that can be seen in the Northern Hemisphere. It occurs when electrically charged particles from the sun collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, creating colorful displays of light in the night sky. The colors of the Aurora Borealis can range from green, blue, and pink to red and purple, and the patterns can be mesmerizing to watch. The best places to view the Aurora Borealis are in countries such as Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Canada. Number 2. The Great Barrier Reefs. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system. Stretching over 1,400 miles and home to a staggering diversity of marine life, this natural wonder of the world attracts millions of visitors every year who come to explore its crystal clear water and vibrant coral reefs. Visitors can go scuba diving, snorkeling, or take a glass-bottom boat tour to witness the beauty of this underwater world. Number 1. Grand Canyon National Park. Grand Canyon National Park is one of the most iconic natural wonders of the world. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon is a breathtaking sight to behold. The park spans over 277 miles, with depths reaching up to a mile. Visitors can hike, raft, or take a helicopter tour to explore the park's stunning landscape, which includes red rock formations, towering cliffs, and winding canyons.